announcing the arrival of our guest of honor and speaker. To our guest of honor and speaker, to be introduced later, our Regional Director, Police Chief Superintendent John Joseph B. Garanda. To our Deputy Regional Director for Administration, Police Senior Superintendent Neil B. Parambita, Police Commissioned Officer, fellow PNCOs, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today is the third day of October 2014, and we welcome to Group 413 Police Service Anniversary Celebration with the theme, Serbisyong Makatotohanan, Handog ng Pulisya sa ating pamayanan. May we request everyone to please rise for the mass singing of Philippine National Anthem and to be followed by invocation. Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo. Let us bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord. Amen. Please be seated. Sir. Let us hear Police Senior Superintendent Neil G. Parambita, Deputy Regional Director for Administration for the opening remarks.
To our guest of honor and speaker, we introduce later. To our regional director, Police Chief Superintendent John Joseph Vergara Canada. Other officers, visitors, men and women of PNP, good morning. It has been 113 years when Philippine Constabulary was established, a forerunner of Philippine National Police. Since then, it has been tasked with many issues and controversies with regards of its program and implementation. Despite, among these, our organization continued to live up to what the batch and uniform asked. In terms of moral and conduct and ethical behavior, our uniform personnel still hold the will to dedicate themselves to our country and people. I believe that in the next 10 years, the Philippine National Police envisions to evolve into highly professional and motivated organization. Men and women in uniform should reflect the real essence of being member of the force. We will serve as model of excellence in our respective assignments as we work toward our common goal of national development. Again, I'm very grateful the celebration of 130th PNP anniversary, and I hope that through this we are united and one of in continuing the service to the Filipino people. To God, to our country, thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you, sir, for that warm welcome. Highlights of the celebration is the awarding flag and recognition to one of our deserving personnel who gained laudable accomplishment. May we request our guest of honor and speaker to give the award to be assisted by our regional director.
Citation reads, General Order Number 501, the Brigadier of Pagasinan is hereby awarded to the following PNP personnel of San Jose Police Station, San Jose, Batangas, for the implementation of warrant of arrest, which resulted to the arrest of 5 most wanted persons and confiscation of high-caliber firearms as assorted ammunition from their possession and custody on September 2014 at Barangay Balatasin, San Jose, Batangas. Said award will be received by Police Superintendent Vanderbilt, Chief of Police of San Jose Police Station, San Jose, Batangas.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations. Please be seated. The next part of our program is the introduction of our guest of honor speaker to be introduced, the regional director.
Our guest of honor speaker is from Lipa City, Batangas. He is happily married and blessed with two sons. He studied his primary education at Sabang Elementary School and graduated valedictorian. Took his secondary education at Lipa City Colleges. He is a graduate of a Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering at the University of the Philippines, Diliman, Quezon City. He successfully passed his fourth exam in 1985. He also earned his master's degree in public administration at Ateneo University, Manila. Our guest of honor speaker, he started his political career as councilor when he ran for Sangguniang Panglunsod of Lipa City and served for more 3 consecutive terms from 1986 to 1995. After being a councilor, he became the vice mayor of the said city. After his first term, he decided to run for mayor. And through his honest, faithful, and unbelievable performance in public service, the people of Lipa trusted this person and became the local chief executive of the city for 9 years. And through his willingness and passion to serve, our guest of honor speaker decided to help not only to Olipeño, but to all Batangueños. Then, he ran for governor and got his landslide victory. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the honor to introduce to you our guest of honor and speaker, Governor of the province of Batangas, and who knows, become the President of the Philippines, the Honorable Oliver D. Samet.
So our regional director, Police Chief Superintendent John Joseph Parandam, Deputy Regional Director for Administration, Police Senior Superintendent Nancy Paramita, Deputy Regional Director for Operation, Police Superintendent Dominic Christopheros, officers, uniform and non-uniform personnel, awardee, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's my distinct honor and pride to be the guest of honor and speaker of the 113th founding anniversary of the Philippine National Police. It's merely a celebration of the date had passed, or more than a marking day and a calendar year. This is a time to reflect what has happened in the organization in the past year and what has been accomplished. The accomplishments under the direction of Police Chief Superintendent John Joseph Parandam and carrying out the vision of 10-point agenda of the Chief PNP Police Director General Alan Purisima that intends the making of a remarkable legacy over the years. We are celebrating the success, story, hardship of the men and women of the PNP service as a protector of the citizenry. The PNP leadership encourages change and upgrading the system to become effective, efficient public servant, to come up with transparency, accountability, and performance goals to foster the PNP vision can be attained through the efforts within the member itself. At present, the PNP is now facing controversies because of the unexpected involvement of some of its members in high-profile cases within the country, which affects the image and reputation of the organization. This is a wake-up call for all uniformed men and women of the organization. Therefore, the PNP should exert more effort to bring back the trust and confidence of the public. Sa ganito po na pangyayari, ako po bilang isang nanunungkulan dito sa ating bayan ay di ko maiwasang malungkot dahil sa kinasasangkutan ng ating kapulisan. Pero ako po ay lubos na sumusuporta at handang tumulong sa inyong organisasyon sa abot ng aking makakaya. Sa pagkakataong ito, ako ay naniniwala na sa inyong hanay ay mas nangingibabaw ang gumagawa ng kabutihan para handang magsilbi sa ikabubuti ng ating bayan at tapat sa sinumpaang tungkulin. Pakita po natin sa ating mamamayan na tayo ay karapat-dapat at handang maglingkod ng tapat at walang kinikilingan. I challenge all of you and the whole PNP organization to eradicate police scalawags, where I believe that they are the ones destroying the dignity and reputation of dedicated police officers. We need to create a dignity. We need to create a new vision whereby our name becomes synonymous to excellence, innovation with honor and pride. The 130th Police Service Anniversary is worth celebrating for. This is what brings a dream and inspiration for a better future. This is an incomparable moment. We remember the sacrifices, hardships, and heroism of our forefathers who fought and died to defend our country against foreign invasions. From today, we will continue the legacy what we have started. We will strengthen our countermeasures on how to fight criminality, to come up with crime prevention and crime solution. From here on, we will embrace the challenges as we look forward in carrying our dreams and aspirations. And I hope that someday our police force will maintain its professionalism in the performance of sworn duties. We will make PNP truly and distinct defenders of our country. May the force be with us. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay PNP.
Thank you, sir, for that very inspiring message. And now, Regional Director, you can take your seat, sir. And now, Regional Director Pro Calabarzon to be assisted by Deputy Regional Director for Administration for the presentation of flag of appreciation.
Citation reads, Republic of the Philippines, National Police Commission, Philippine National Police, Police Regional Office Calabarzon. Lack of appreciation is presented to Honorable Oliver Sari, Governor, Province of Batangas, as our guest of honor and speaker during the 130th Police Service Anniversary held at Police Regional Office Calabarzon, Barangay Mayapa, Calamba City, Laguna. Given this third day of October 2014, signed Police Chief Superintendent John Joseph Sarandang, Regional Director, Pro Calabarzon.
May we request everyone to please stand for the singing of PNP hymn. Ihandog ang isang buhay. That is our program. This is PO2 Dominic Sobreras.
And PO Mary and Espina, thank you and God bless us all. Other officers and guests are invited at the covered court for